and you see on the right it is CausVid LoRA version 1, on the left it is CausVid LoRA version 2. There is a huge quality difference, huge improvement. So this is just amazing. With just 8 steps we get this much quality improvement. This is just amazing. Greetings everyone. Today I am going to introduce you a massive quality improvement in local models video generation. You will like this. These videos are generated with Wan 2.1, our most powerful model with the CausVid LoRA. I made a video about this. This is a LoRA that allows you to generate videos only in 8 steps. Therefore, it is super fast, and you are seeing right now on the left the first version of the CausVid LoRA with 8 steps, and on the right you are seeing the new version 2 of CausVid LoRA with 8 steps. As you are seeing right now, there is a huge improvement in terms of quality, in terms of colors, saturation, everything has been significantly improved as you are seeing right now. Let's also see the difference in this video. You see, this is the beginning of the video. It is really bad compared to the new version. On the left we see the CausVid LoRA version 1, and on the right we are seeing the CausVid LoRA version 2. So today I will show you how to use this LoRA with one click to download and install. We can say that this is the second video, the preceding video of this tutorial, Wan 2.1 CausVid LoRA tutorial. This is a second video of this video, and how we are going to use this in our SwarmUI. It is exactly same as before. So if you already have watched that video, if you already know how to do it, just download the new model and use it. But let me show you one more time how to use this amazing model. First of all, follow the link in the description and open this page. Download the latest SwarmUI model downloader zip file. Move it into your SwarmUI folder. Right click and I will extract all of them. Here, overwrite all the files. Currently it didn't overwrite, so you can just extract and overwrite yourself. Then you see we have Windows Start download models up file. Double click, more info run anyway. It will start the latest version of the model downloader. We have updated this, we have added new models, and now everything is a button because it was requested. All you need to do is just download Wan 2.1 core models bundle. This will download the new model file, which is the new LoRA file. You can see that it is here, Wan 2.1 CausVid text to video, image to video LoRA version 2. You can follow the logs here, what is happening. It will just download the new file and skip the existing ones. You can also follow the speed on the CMD window. You can see that it is super fast because we are using all of the optimizations. Moreover, we support custom model download folders, so you can give any model folder, you can give ComfyUI or wherever you are using. For ComfyUI, you can check this checkbox. If you get errors, you can just start again and resume. This is the ultimate model downloader. It supports so many models. You can just type the name here like FLUX and it will list you all of the FLUX models. You see FLUX bundles we have. Moreover, we have image generation models, FLUX models. So it is listing you all of the models like this. Okay, you see all the models have been downloaded. We can see the queue size is 0. There is no errors. Now what we need to do is we need to update our SwarmUI. As I said, if you didn't follow the previous videos, follow them. So I will use Windows update swarmui.bat file, more info run anyway. It will update it to the latest version and it will automatically start it. So how we are going to use this LoRA? I have prepared presets for you. So click import presets, choose file, go back to the installation folder and you will see amazing SwarmUI presets. Click overwrite and import, and it will import the presets. It will not overwrite your existing or previous presets. Then you will see that here in the quick tools there is reset params to default. I recommend that, and it will set everything to the default. Then select this fast CausVid Wan 2.1, click this icon and direct apply, and it will apply everything directly like this. Then I will show image to video because it is most widely used, but you can also do the text to video, totally same. So choose file, let's choose our file like this. Then click this res and use closest aspect ratio. it will set the aspect ratio according to the model you selected. Currently it is selected Wan 2.1, this 720p model. You can use any model. There are a lot of variants of the Wan 2.1 like Q6, Q5. We support all of them. Let me show you one more time. When I type here Wan 2.1 and when I go to video generation models Wan 2.1, you can see that we support FP16, FP8. You can see the description is here, so you can download any one of them. After that, set init image creativity to 0. This is super important. Then type your prompt like a talking children, whatever you want. Then you can change the number of frames you want. This will impact the length of the video. Currently it is by default set to 49 frames, so it will generate 3 seconds video, and you can make the FPS double with RIFE like this. Then click generate. There is one more important thing that I need to tell you. As I have shown in my previous tutorials, you should follow your GPU watt usage. What does this mean? Let me open a new terminal, type pip install nvitop, then type nvitop and follow how much watt your GPU is using. It should be close to the maximum. If it is not close to the maximum, that means that it is using shared VRAM. We don't want that. Since we are using ComfyUI as a backend, by default it is supporting block swapping, therefore it should be extremely optimized. You see, currently I am using over 5 watts of the 575 maximum, so it is working perfectly fine. And there is one trick. If it is not working like this, even after you did restart your computer, go to the backends in the server tab and add this reverse VRAM. So this will tell application to reverse 3 GB of VRAM memory all the time, and this fixed my issue. Sometimes you don't need this, but sometimes you need this. Unfortunately, I couldn't pinpoint the error reason, so if it is using shared VRAM, then set this, don't forget. And it will generate our video with most optimized way. You can go to the logs, click here debug, and you can see the step speed. Even though I am recording a video right now, it is generating with this speed with a HD resolution. You can see the resolution is here, 784 by 1136. So this is a really HD resolution and we should have it in a moment. And our video has been generated, as you are seeing right now, with maximum quality in a very short time. This video took only 2.3 minutes and this is excellent quality. So let's also see how it performs on text to video model. To do that, I will click quick tools here, reset params to default again. Then I will change my model. I will change my model to text to video. So let's type text here. Let's select text to video GGUFQ8. Then go to presets and we need to apply our first cause with Wan 2.1 text to video direct apply. It is applied, as you can see. Just type our prompt. This is a prompt that I have taken from here. I don't know how it will work. So let's hit generate and let's see what we will get. You see, since I did click reset params to default, it disabled everything else and it did set everything according to the preset accurately. This is super important. With fast CausVid LoRA, we are not using T-cache because we are already doing only 8 steps instead of 50 steps, but we can always use the stage attention, which I am using, and it is automatically installed with my installer, as I have shown in my previous videos. Stage attention is the fastest attention for video generation, so you can use it and you are seeing that it is really high quality. Okay, video has been generated, but I made a mistake. I didn't select the LoRa, therefore the video quality is terrible with 8 steps. So let's select LoRa and generate again. Do not make this mistake. You need to select both base model and also the LoRa model like here. Also, I am frequently getting asked how you can change the LoRa weights, LoRa power, LoRa scale. You see it says that 1. So this is the LoRa scale, the LoRa power, the LoRa impact it is using. You can change it from here. This applies to all LoRas. Either it is FLUX LoRa, it is video generation model LoRa, whatever it is. This is how you can set the selected LoRa. You can also select multiple LoRas. For example, I can select both of them and I can set LoRa weight, LoRa scale, each one of them like this. So this is how SwarmUI works. I am just showing you a general knowledge which can be very useful because I am getting asked of this all the time. This is how you can set LoRa weight, LoRa scale, LoRa impact, whichever you may call it. Okay, so the video has been generated. Let's see the difference Okay, this is way better video. It could be better with a better prompting. I'm just using some random prompt. Probably it was made for image to video. And there is another thing I would like to show you. This is our ultimate video upscaler. It will have so many features. I am still developing. I am adding so many features. This is industry level upscaling. It is diffusion based. It supports frame window based upscaling. What it means that by default it is processing 32 frames at a time. Therefore, it prevents flickering, it prevents other issues. It also supports sliding window upscaling as well, which means that transition between processed chunks have more consistency. It supports everything. This is literally going to be the ultimate video upscaler, many times better than Topaz AI, because we have automatically splitting every video into scenes and we are automatically captioning them, because since this is diffusion based, the caption matters a lot. Currently we have CockVLM2 captioning with 4-bit quantization working amazing, and we have so many features: batch processing, FPS decrease and increase. Why? Because you can decrease FPS to half and make your upscaling 2 times faster than you can use RIFE frame interpolation to increase FPS. Also, we have output comparison, and I have developed a feature here that you can upload any 2 videos like this one and generate a comparison video according to their aspect ratio. So let's click manual comparison video and let's click download. This is how I made this comparison video, and it is really good to see impact of different videos. But this is not all yet. There is also another application that I have developed: start video comparison up file. Choose the files from here. This is a video slider, you see. This is just amazing, and it is working really fast and efficient. All of these are running locally. I will share everything once all of them are completed. And you see on the right, it is CausVid LoRA version 1. On the left, it is CausVid LoRA version 2. There is a huge quality difference, huge improvement. So this is just amazing. With just 8 steps, we get this much quality improvement. This is just amazing. This application is not published yet because I am still developing it. I am still adding features, such as I will add presets, save your config, load your config. There may be other new features. Therefore, if you have any recommendations, suggestions, please make your recommendations to me. I am time to time sharing on our Patreon and also on our Reddit the progress. So therefore, it is really important for you to make recommendations to me. Hopefully I will publish it as soon as possible, because I know that so many people is waiting for this, and hopefully it will be amazing. So thank you so much. See you later.